Hello guys, welcome back to our channel at Gaming Basics. Today in this video, we will see what are the best Valorant agents for the map Sunset. Picking the efficient agents is the way to getting that victory. Sunset is the latest map in Valorant with two sides and a massive mid area. While picking characters for your matches on Sunset, make sure to utilize meta agents. We will be considering every role while selecting the best agent for the map Sunset. For the role of Duelist, Raze is a must pick for her utility since it can clear tons of close chokeholds. If you want to play two Duelists, Jett can be added with no initiators. For the role of Initiators, Gekko is a great pick since on this map, for his utility, Gekko can do so much value to a team. His wingman alone will plant a spike for your team. His flash is so efficient, you can pick it again and use it after 10 seconds. So Gekko is a must pick for this map. For the role of controllers, you should go with Omen as Omen can teleport and reach elevated high grounds, and plus he can smoke from anywhere in the map. For the role of Sentinel, Cypher is a must pick for his tripwires alone at B side. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and also hit the bell button icon to get updates for our latest videos, and drop a comment for more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next videos.